Amatech Engineered Medical Components is a market leader in delivering optimal solutions for the medical device industry. Consisting of 3 brands, Avicenna, TSE Technical Services for Electronics and Laserage. Avicenna. Avicenna serves as a vital contract manufacturing partner for global medical device customers with complex requirements. Avicenna was founded in 2000 with core competencies in laser ablating and automated processing of coated fine wire. Avicenna combines assembly operations with its process capabilities for fine wire and welded electrodes to offer a complete solution for manufacturing catheter products. Avicenna's highly qualified engineering and operating teams have long-standing expertise in high-volume electrode and catheter assemblies for the electrophysiology market. TSE. TSE serves as a vital contract manufacturing partner for its customers and has a 100% focus on medical applications. Its customers represent the market leaders across a broad range of medical technologies and applications. TSE Technical Services for Electronics was founded in 1972 in Arlington, Minnesota, with core competencies in end-to-end cable assembly. TSE's engineering and operating expertise continues to push the boundaries for interconnect solutions, providing its customers with the best of the best offerings for new and next-generation products. Our core capabilities are custom-designed connectors and high-density card edge technology connectors. Laserage. Laserage is widely regarded as the medical industry leading expert in laser contract manufacturing. Founded in 1979, Laserage has a pedigree in a wide range of custom laser processing capabilities for precision medical device components. These range from precision laser cutting, different types of laser welding, nitinol shape setting and polishing. Laserage is equipped with a fleet of over 45 laser systems utilizing over 65 lasers and driven by a team of more than 130 committed employees. Our new launch, Laser Swiss. Introducing the Tsugami Laser Swiss Machining, a combination of 6-axis Swiss CNC machining and laser cutting, fully integrated in one machine and in one process. Laser Swiss offers the following benefits: simplified design innovations for complex medical components, easy, fast and cost-effective machining, faster go-to-market of medical device innovations, reduced manufacturing constraints, increased productivity. The primary market sectors we serve with the Laser Swiss capability are structural heart devices. Amatech EMC has been involved with the engineering development and manufacturing procedures of aortic heart valve frames for decades. Key products we manufacture are laser-cut flexible shafts for delivery systems, laser-cut garages for aortic heart valve frames, structural heart delivery collars, laser-welded delivery shaft assemblies for catheter-based heart procedures. Orthopedic devices. For orthopedic tools, we manufacture flexible shaft patterns that are highly customized and specific to the project. These allow our customers' instruments to provide patient-specific outcomes for orthopedic replacements and restorations. Amatech EMC's capabilities include Laser Swiss precision processed tubes for orthopedic tools, precision laser cut flexible tube for medical instruments, laser processed metal components, precision laser cut pattern on threads on unique bone screw. Vascular components. Amatech EMC has been a leading manufacturing partner in the vascular device market for decades. With constant technological improvement, we've adapted ourselves to the latest and the most advanced capabilities, helping in engineering and manufacturing advanced vascular device components like stents, delivery catheters, imaging components. We also help in improving existing medical devices in a wide variety of neurovascular, cardiovascular, endovascular and peripheral vascular projects. Surgical and medical instruments. Amatech Engineered Medical Components has emerged as a leading manufacturer of surgical and medical instruments in the medical device industry. On this long journey, we've invariably focused on delivering optimal solutions to robotic surgical equipment. Amatech EMC uses highly precise laser ablation processes to manufacture robotic surgical components and assemblies for our customers. These include laser-cut stainless tubes with laser-welded stainless steel positioning wires, laser-cut nitinol flex shafts. We also offer customized interconnect and cable solutions for electrosurgical equipment. This covers ENT and plastic surgery solutions and many more. Contact us to discuss how we can support your next medical device project.